Boom shakalaka, this looks bad, or does it? Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, shocking Bitcoin signal, plus a lot of very interesting charts that you need to see. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, come join us on Twitter through Crypto Love, and subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos since 2017. Wow. Now, today, fear and greed at 44, drop from yesterday's 50, and I suspect tomorrow will be really bad, like down to the 30s. Extreme fear once again out of neutral. The overall market almost down 5% today. Bitcoin at 57,510, Ethereum at 31.43, BNB at 526, Solana 133, XRP 44 cents, Toncoin 721, Dogecoin 11 cents, and Cardano 39 cents. Now, should be noted that Bitcoin right now is following perfectly exactly what it did the two of the last three times we saw this blue line cross below the yellow and green lines right here. Look at this. The bar pattern had $57,000. Look at this. Bitcoin price, $57,000. 2 days apart. How crazy is that? Now, also, Bitcoin did find support on this long-term downtrend bull flag that it's been in for a while. Did temporarily break below the 200-day moving average, this orange line, right now sitting just above those levels. And Willy Woo's saying every time he looks at these 7 squiggly lines to see if it's time, not yet. Miners are still bleeding out, writhing in pain. Let's have a silent moment for them. Basically, he takes a look at the Bitcoin hash ribbons. Things don't take off until miners stop selling. That could be taking longer than normal because of the Bitcoin ordinal inscriptions. Now, not only that, but Bitcoin keeps dipping because too many people are buying the dip on leverage. Right now, $36 million liquidation pool is set for grabs at 57.7. Could price continue downwards? Yeah, probably. As long as people, the degens, keep going 10x, 100x long, well, price most likely will keep continuing down. We see that with the price wicking down to 57.8, 101,000 traders got liquidated. $1 billion of open interest flushed. Holy cow. That's a lot. So, Bitcoin right now at its 127-day range of the short-term final defensive bull support. You can see this support line here, also the long-term trend line. Could this be the last support before price goes up, or could it continue down? Could we go into a bear market? I'm sure the bears will shout out in the comments. Yeah, absolutely, bear market, totally called the top, of course, because bears know every single top. But anyways, Bitcoin also could be in its last capitulation before the run-up. Right now, confirmed breakout of the Tenkan on the weekly. The next support is the Kijun right here around 56.1. Kijun is the second strongest line of the Ichimoku. So, could we find support here? Yeah, quite possible. However, if price continues to go down, or even if it doesn't go down, right now, Bitcoin price is at a massive discount. Now, if we're in a bull market, I think we are. Bears will tell you differently. But if we are still in a bull market, and you can get Bitcoin at a discount, it is an incredible buy. Clearly not with leverage, but spot. Yes, accumulate now. And we're going to be talking about a couple reasons why towards the end of the episode. But right now, Bitcoin, according to the volatility adjusted power law index, it is in insane undervaluation territory. Not the all-time bottom, but insane undervaluation territory. Right now, the fair value price is $71,000. What's Bitcoin at? 58. That's like 13,000. Every Bitcoin you buy, you make $13,000 because you want to buy when the price is low and sell when the price is high. Quite opposite to what most people will end up doing. Zooming out a little bit on the 2-month slow stochastic percent D, it has reached overbought levels. And you're like, overbought? No. But in the past, this happened just prior to the largest part of the bull run for Bitcoin. So this could be just prior to the largest part of the bull run coming up. It needs to go sideways first, but after sideways usually ends up going up probably towards the end of the summer. There may be a couple more months of sideways chop or downward movement. However, if we take a look right now, $600 million in net positioning today, the highest open interest in coin terms since February 12th way back here. And look at what happened to Bitcoin price after that. Price shot up from there, from $40,000 to $72,000, almost doubling. Could we see the same thing happening? Past few days, we've been looking at a lot of charts suggesting there could be a doubling of price coming in. Also, if we take a look at the MACD, this is the 7th time in the bull market that Bitcoin has had a bullish daily cross of the MACD. Every single time we saw a jump in price. Afterwards, some were small, some were gigantic. Likely could be the last washout before the next jump in price. Because again, zooming out, this chart may blow your mind. The 2-month Bitcoin TD9 sell setup has been perfected. However, the previous time that happened, and you're saying a TD9 sell, I should sell right now. But on the 2-month chart, the last time this happened, Bitcoin did a 20x in the following months. Could we be seeing another historic run up towards the end of the year? Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. And I certainly hope so. Because, as they say, buy the rumor, sell the news. I don't know if it's just true or otherwise, but rumors that Trump will adopt Bitcoin as a reserve asset for the US, huge, about to go parabolic. Yeah, absolutely. If this is a reserve asset, holy cow. And if the US does it, you gotta imagine some other countries are going to do it as well, as long as it isn't just some giant Trojan developed by China so that they could destroy the US economy. I hope that's not the case. But we could very likely be in this scenario where, yeah, price will continue sideways for the next few months until elections, and then we'll see it rocket off like it does almost every single US presidential election. So, that being said, while times are scary right now, don't lose hope. Don't listen to me because I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. Do what you want with your money. I mean, just watch the videos, have fun. Subscribe to the channel. Also, while you're watching videos, YouTube says you should check out that one right there. So give it a look. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.